there are tasks assigned to a status you want to delete, you will need to reassign those tasks to a new status. In your organization status overview page, find the status you want to delete and click on its action button. In the drop-down, select delete. In the pop-up, click on the drop-down menu and select a different status, and then hit the replace and delete button. Now, all tasks that were assigned to the deleted status will now have the new status that you chose. If the status you deleted was a one-to-one integration with the corresponding status in Jira or Wrike, you will need to integrate a new zipBoard status with the Jira or Wrike status. When you click back into the integrated project, a pop-up will prompt you to reintegrate with Jira or Wrike. Click on Open Settings and select the third party that is encircled in red. In this case, both Jira and Wrike will need reintegration. For Jira, the statuses that need reintegration will be in red font at the bottom of the pop-up. Change the integration of one of your existing statuses to match a status in the red font and click Next. Make sure that your new integration is mapped back from Jira to zipBoard 2. You will be asked to go through the same process for Wrike if it was also encircled in red. Change the integration of one of your existing statuses to match a status in the red font and click Next. And again, you want to make sure that your new integration is mapped back from Wrike to zipBoard 2. Thanks for watching this tutorial.